Welcome to Salesforce's technical analysis. Salesforce is consolidating, watch support and resistance for the next trigger. The stock gained 1.7% today, and the 30-day trend suggests a downtrend. While there's a short-term rebound above EMA 9, the mid- and long-term trend remains bearish, indicating caution for medium-term positions. A potential mid-term resistance is seen around $292.74, supported by a cluster of prior highs in this zone. Between the mid- and long-term targets, a notable resistance may appear near $358.07, based on previous swing highs. If momentum continues beyond mid-term resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $365.62, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A recent downward gap remains unfilled between $255.99 and $257.86, often interpreted as a sign of selling pressure. If the price attempts to close this gap, it could climb nearly 1.3% from current levels. A short-term bounce is visible, but the overall structure is still under pressure. Momentum is building, both MACD and RSI confirm the strength. A similar MACD cycle from February 7 to March 19 led to a price decrease of approximately 14.3%. Long-term structure, price remains inside the broader trend channel. Price broke above the short-term channel, signaling bullish momentum. If this breakout holds, a reasonable projection sits near 264.8. Price is currently below the 78.6% retracement, which may act as near-term resistance. Short-term structure, price remains inside the broader trend channel. Price broke above the short-term channel, signaling bullish momentum. If this breakout holds, a reasonable projection sits near 264.8. Price is trading above the 50% retracement, potentially turning it into new support. Volatility is normal based on ATR, while trading volume is normal compared to recent averages. The RSI is above its smoothed version. Current RSI is 55.5, while smoothed RSI is 44.3. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for Salesforce, scored 6 out of 10, a moderate setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is only above EMA 9, weak short-term recovery. Closest EMA is EMA 50 at $255, currently acting as resistance. A mid-term target stands near $293, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $366. Between mid-term and long-term levels, an important resistance appears around $358. This could act as an intermediate decision point before price reaches the long-term projection. Nearest Fibonacci level is $257, acting as resistance. Next Fibonacci level to watch is $280. Breakout above regression channel, target is around $270. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Salesforce. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.